How to delete your Threads account. So to start, we'll just have to open the app, and then in here we'll have to go to our profile. To do that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom. So once we're here on our profile, we'll have to go to these two lines, and then under settings, tap on the account option. After that, you will now see this option, deactivate or delete profile. Simply tap on this one, and then after that, you will be given instructions regarding on deactivating and deleting your profile. So when you deactivate your profile, your Threads profile, contents, likes, followers will not be visible to anyone until you reactivate your profile by logging back in. But if you really want to permanently delete your Threads account, what you need to do is to tap on this delete profile. Keep in mind that you will be given 30 days to reactivate your account. After 30 days, if you did not reactivate your account, then your Threads account will be permanently deleted. So to delete our account, all we need to do is to tap on this delete profile. After that, you will be asked to input your Instagram password. Once you're done, tap on this delete Threads profile. So that's how easy you can delete Threads account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!